Hello friends. Today we have a phone with the name that you can see on the screen for repair. This is what the phone looks like from the back. In this video we will change the display module. As you can see, it is broken. Also, the phone does not respond to the connection of the charger. We take out the SIM tray and begin to disassemble the phone. Now I'll try to charge it again. It seems to me that either the board is faulty or the USB connector is damaged. I found the reason, and it is that the USB connector is faulty, because when the charging cable is connected, we do not have 5 volts on the board. It turns out that 5 volts do not come to the board. Also, we have 3.8 volts on the battery, but it should be 4.2 volts. Our battery is discharged. Therefore, the phone does not turn on. It is very strange that the vibration motor wires are torn off the board. Perhaps this happened due to a fall. USB is soldered, and you can see how the soldering of contacts looks now. Now you need to check how the phone charges. I connected the charging cable. Our phone consumption is 580 milliamps, which means that the phone is charging. The LED indicator also lights up, which shows that the phone is charging. That's it, friends. As you can see, the phone is repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe, and don't forget to like. See you soon.